What's the meaning of boob tube? Boob tube. Boob tube.
Boob tube. Boob tube. The term boob tube is a slang expression that originated in the 1960s and refers to a television set. The term is intended to be derogatory by implying that watching too much TV makes someone a boob or an idiot. The term has since been used to describe not only the television set but also the content that is broadcast on it. In modern times, the term has become less common as television has become more sophisticated and diverse, and watching TV is no longer seen as a mindless activity. However, the term is still occasionally used in popular culture to refer to someone who watches too much TV.